Right now we're going to work on this pocket door lockbox. I've already cleaned the exterior. Basically I just boil it. I'll do another video about cleaning hardware on the outside. But this one we're going to take apart and see what the inside is like. We really don't want to be selling lock boxes that have issues for our customers. So we just take it apart, and as you can see, this one is a mess. It is very rusty everywhere. Obviously water got in here. So what we're going to do is use our bench grinder again to clean all those metal parts. Now, once again, safety is important, so safety glasses are a must, and no gloves. That way we only ruin our skin and we don't end up breaking anything, or getting a glove sucked into a grinder is never a good time. So what I do with the lock boxes like this is I make sure I know what it looks like. They have springs in them, they have brass and steel parts, and when I take it apart in a way where I can see how it goes back together. So when it's time to put it back together, hopefully I'll be able to do it without too many problems. And if I do have problems, then it gets more interesting. I've never opened this lockbox before today, and I've only had one or two like this. So typically things that look like that, that's where springs are wedged in to push down on something, and then these cylinders usually hold the moving parts. So this is covered in rust, so what I'm going to do is turn on the bench grinder and clean the casing and then the parts. Since I could not get into all the grooves in this part with the wire wheel, I do have a wire brush. Usually I use some lock mechanism oil. Right now I have some WD-40 on hand, just to lubricate all the parts and start putting everything back together. Alright, so the last problem is I have no idea where this piece went. Which in theory is pushing this out so this can go forward, that one back. Let's put it together, see if that works. So that is our lockbox for a pocket door. Ready to go.